This Gumroad automation tracks sales, sends customer emails, and keeps you updated. This automation kicks off when someone buys or downloads your product on Gumroad. It does three things: saves sales details to a Google Sheet for tracking, notifies you on Slack of new sale, sends personalized thank you emails to the customer with their product PDF and instructions. So it's very simple to set up and you can do it completely for free. I've been running this for about a year now and it's been working perfectly. You first start with a webhook. This gives you a URL which you can then go and paste in here. When you log into Gumroad and go to settings, advanced, and scroll down to see this ping endpoint field, you paste that webhook URL in here. Test it out by sending a test ping, and if this webhook gets triggered, it's working. And then I have added another module called Gumroad Get a Sale. So this will get all the sales details. Then we will save it in the Google Sheet and send a notification on Slack. Airtable module. I have this because I have saved all the PDFs in Airtable. So it will fetch the URL to download the file. This get a file module will download that PDF and finally sends an email to the customer with their product. This is what the Slack message looks like. So this is the spreadsheet with all the details. I have sales details over here.